everyone, it's Sian at Cardiff Central Library. How are you all? Are you excited about the weekend? It's Easter! And I really hope that means that we get to eat lots of chocolate. But it also means that today our story has to be about a rabbit. So we're going to read Catch That Egg. It's written by Lucy Rowland. It's illustrated by Anna Chernyshova. And I'm reading it with the kind permission of Macmillan Press. Are you ready? Are you ready to find out what happens? Here we go. Floppit was a bunny with the most enormous feet. His friends could hear him coming with his very bouncy beat. Boing, 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 boing. He liked to skip. He liked to hop. He liked to jump around. And he loved the boing noises as he bounced along the ground. Boing, boing, boing. Now, one day, in his burrow, as he hopped across the floor, his mum said, "Stop it, Floppit! I can't take it anymore. You're making such a racket. Can't you go outside to play?" So Floppit thought, "I'll find my friends," and he hopped off on his way. Boing, 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 boing. But Chicken was too busy. She was guarding lots of eggs when Floppit came a boing, boing on his long and hoppy legs. "Stop it, Floppit," Chicken said. "Your noisy feet will shake them. My eggs are very precious. It's important not to break them." Can you see the eggs? How many can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Sheep was with her sleepy lambs, all curled up in the hay, when Floppit came a skipping and a hopping up that day. Boing, 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 boing. "Stop it, Floppit," muttered Sheep. "You're making such a din. Hop off towards the cowshed and see if Cow is in." Everybody's a bit cross with Floppit today. Cow was with her baby calves and looked a little busy. When Floppit came a hopping by, he left her feeling dizzy. Boing, 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 boing. "Stop it, Floppit," grumbled Cow. "They're learning how to walk. Your bouncing isn't helping, and I haven't time to talk." So Floppit tried his other friends, but Dog and Cat and Pig said, "Stop it, Floppit. Quiet now. Your feet are just too big." Boing, 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 boing. Floppit peered down at his feet. Then he slowly hopped away. "Perhaps I'm just too bouncy, but I only want to play." It wasn't too long later that the bunny hopped along and heard some noisy shouting. He thought, "There's something wrong." So he stopped and watched, and then he saw Cow running past. Her calf had knocked poor Chicken's egg, and off it rolled so fast. No! The egg sped quickly down the hill, and Cow ran right past Floppit. "Catch that egg!" poor Chicken yelled, but no, Cow couldn't stop it. The egg rolled past the big barn doors where Sheep stood just inside. "Catch that egg!" the Cow cried out. "It's going to break!" she cried. "Bark, bark, 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 bark. Woof, woof, meow." It rolled past Dog. It rolled past Cat. "Catch that egg!" Sheep cried. "Catch that egg!" they yelled to Pig, but it flew right past Pig's head. Meow. The egg went up and then was falling through the sky. Then luckily the animals saw Hoppit flopping by. Such bouncy feet, such hoppy legs, was he the one to stop it? They pointed up towards the egg and shouted, "Catch it, Floppit!" Do you think Floppit can catch it? I'm not sure. Floppit crouched down really low and with one mighty jump, He sprang up high, he caught the egg, and he landed with a thump. The friends all gave a great big cheer, and the lambs began to bleat. Yay! Hooray! Meh! Meh! Hooray for Floppit and his very bouncy feet. See, everyone's happy now. Floppit felt so proud, but then the egg began to shake. He heard a little crack, and then the shell began to break. He rushed the egg to Chicken, but he tripped up on his feet. The egg flew slowly through the air, and it landed with a sweet. Out popped two small legs, and Chicken shouted, "Quick! Catch it, Floppit!" laughed his friends. "You've got to catch that chick." Can you see the chick running away? Do you think Floppit will be able to catch it? I'm not sure. But there they are. The rabbit, Floppit, and the little baby chick. So have a wonderful Easter, everybody. Don't eat too much chocolate, and we'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.